Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Now we can going to discuss about the product 3-port converter based single phase bidirectional AC to DC converter with reduced power processing stages and improved overall efficiency. Next we going to discuss about the abstract of our product. Single phase bidirectional AC to DC converter based 3-port converter is proposed for singles energy storage applications. 3-phase interfacing ports, that is an DC bus port, a DC input port and AC port are provided by the proposed converter. A battery whose voltage is lower than peak amplitude of AC voltage is connected to the DC input port of the 3-port converter, which is energy exchange between battery and grid can be achieved directly. Therefore, power processed by downstream DC to DC converter is reduced, which can help to reduce the power losses induced by lower downstream DC to DC converter. In additional, switching losses of 3-port converter can be reduced as well due to multi-level characteristics. As a result of overall efficiency, entire bidirectional AC to DC converter is improved, and topologies of operation principles of modulation and control of the proposed converter of bidirectional AC to DC converter is analyzed is detailed. Now we can going to discuss about the our flow diagram of our product. First we can see about the AC grid. AC grid is an renewable source of single line connected to each consumers to use an our AC power of our delivery load side. The AC grid to deliver the AC power of bidirectional AC to DC converter. In the incoming of AC signal is converted to the DC conversion. It after passed to the bidirectional DC to DC buck boost converter. It will process to the sometime in case first of all it's acting on buck converter, it will act to DC buck converter. Next we can see about it is if it is 0, it will act as a boost converter. Further, in case to change the chain reaction of our bidirectional DC to DC buck boost converter, this converter is passed through the energy storage system. Energy storage system is nothing but batteries, series number of batteries connected in series to store the energies and utilize. Intermediate section of sine pulse width modulation is an to sinusoidal input of triggering pulses of switching characteristics in the bidirectional AC to DC converter. This is processed to mainly processed to the sine pulse width modulation is improve our converter efficiency and system balance and improvement performance characteristics also. This also mainly rolled in our product. Next we can see triggering pulses. Triggering pulses are nothing but to triggering the some on off situation condition to occur this MATLAB, and it will converted to some process linear and occurrences of some delivered to energy storage system and energy to by converter system. Next we can see about the running process of our product. This proposed system implementation done in MATLAB version 2013A. First open a MATLAB file window and create a new model file. They create a arranging elements as per the circuit diagram. This is our circuit diagram of our product. Next we can see about the results. As we can see about the grid voltage of our power is at 220 amplitude of our sinusoidal wave, perfect sinusoidal wave of AC grid voltage. Next we can see about the grid current. Grid current of our AC sinusoidal voltage. This is similar to the grid side of our two outputs. This is our sinusoidal pulse width modulation carrying the suppressor carries and sine wave and triggering pulses also. This is 3 waveform in a single scope. First we can see about the triangular carries, and we can same to carries to apply the sinusoidal wave, and next the sinusoidal wave and the triggering triangular carry. This is suppressors to the some triggering pulses to occur then third scopes also. This is some transient variation to occur in this, but then not a problem. To zoom to linear x-axis zoom wise, this is our proper wave. Next we can see about the battery outputs. This is a setup jar to discharge the discharge of our battery SOCs and the grid battery current and battery voltage. This is a linear some noise variations to occur in bidirectional flow of our battery sides to grid side to battery side. This is some linear variation to uphold the conclude.